Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up understanding insurance endorsements with Lemonade, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding insurance endorsements is essential for maximizing your coverage. Start by visiting the Lemonade website or opening the Lemonade app. Sign into your existing account or create a new account if you haven't done so yet. Once you're logged in, navigate to your insurance policy dashboard. Locate the section labeled Coverage or Policy Details. Here, you will find an overview of your current coverage. Look for options related to endorsements or additional coverage. Click on the Endorsements section to explore available options. Review the available endorsements that Lemonade offers. These may include specialized add-ons like pet coverage or valuable items protection. Take your time to read through the descriptions of each endorsement. Consider your personal needs and circumstances when evaluating the options. Once you identify endorsements that fit your needs, select them for more details. From there, you can see any additional costs associated with each endorsement. If you're ready to add the endorsement, click on the Add or Select button. Follow the prompts to finalize your selection. Make sure to review the updated coverage details after adding endorsements. Confirm that the changes are accurately reflected in your policy summary. If you have any questions or concerns, use the chat feature for support. Once you're satisfied with your endorsements, proceed to payment if applicable. Finally, save or print your updated policy for future reference. This ensures you have a complete understanding of your coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.